Okay guys, Sonny Do Carpenter. I got a tip from a viewer, and he was talking about the sheet metal stud forms that I'm building for the wall panels. And he said, rather than clamp them, drill them, and screw them, why don't you just get a spot welder and spot weld them? And I said that was a good idea. I think I'll do that. I had another viewer that said he'd be really disappointed if I didn't build my spot welder. But I don't have time to do that, so I did go and buy one. I'm gonna go get it. It's out in the truck. Let's unbox this thing. It's pretty heavy. Now guys, I've never used one of these before. Well, I've used a spot welder, but just an industrial one with a stomp pedal inside of a shop. I've never used a handheld one. I mean, it's pretty dang heavy. Looks like it requires a little bit of well, here's all the tips and stuff. Oh, it gives extra tips. That's cool. This ought to be pretty easy to put together. Fill its head. Switch out bits. Screwdriver. Looks like these are going to have to be adjusted. Okay, we have an adjustment right here. switch here. You see we've got a switch right here. That must be the power switch once you clamp it. It looks like the tips, oh, I mean they come together pretty close. They're a little off this way. I may have to adjust that a little bit. It looks like we have an adjustment on it where we can undo these Allen screws right in there and tweak this and twist it or pull it out a little if we need. We also, where they hit and clamp, we can adjust this so it comes down a little further using this adjustment right here. So we'll see how we like it. Let's go see if we can put together a panel. Okay guys, we're gonna see if the spot welder speeds things up a little bit. I think it probably will. We'll see if I can find my tool. Measure, snip, and cut. We're in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Wow, that's not bad. So let me see. It's like the spot welder was made for these. I mean, you just slide it in. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. So guys, just to give you an idea, instead of clamping, drilling, and screwing, all I do is just push this thing up on it and clamp it, and then I just push the button for like 3 seconds. And there we go. Might as well put 2 on them. I just welded the other end. I'm happy, guys. That cut my time down for making these by at least 3 or 4 minutes for each panel. So I'm really happy with that welder. It works good.